Here I have MG MS6 and let me show you how to enable the intelligent battery heating on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's swipe to the left until you see the battery. Let's just tap it. Now choose the first section, which is the charging, and here you've got intelligent battery heating, as you can see. So this feature uses an internal heater to warm up the large electricity driving battery pack in freezing weather. Because electric batteries work poorly and charge slowly when frozen, turning this on allows the car to preheat the battery pack so you can get full driving range and faster charging speeds during the winter. I think it's quite nice, so let me enable this feature, and right now the car will automatically enable the heating. You can also here read the instructions to improve driving and charging performance. Battery heating will automatically start when the outside temperature is low. This feature consumes battery power and will reduce the driving range. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.